healthy and happy. With this, I am Sanjana Goel and she is my friend Jia. I am wishing you a marvelous journey to Honorable Director Sir, Honorable Dr. Vaibhav Jyoti Sir and respected teachers. Today we are going to conduct this dream assembly by our team. So let's begin it. A smile is an inexpensive way to change your looks. With this, I would like to call Priya Didi and Aditi for prayer. Jai everyone. Take your prayer position. There is God. Teach me to give. And how to count. The earth. Do twice. And how to sing. Forest. To labor. And how to walk. For river. To fight. And how to hang. The food. The bite. The roots of discipline. And fight. For the state. To the last. And to love. Even those. Who we. Do it. So that. One day. I may be. Worthy. Of the love. And my country. Now Shrishti and Ananya Didi is coming for thank you prayer. Jai Hind everyone. Take your thank you prayer position. For the roof over my head. And the last bed to sleep in. The food on my table. Shoes on my feet. Your loving touching is everywhere. Forgive me my faults. Blessing. If ever start to complain. Leave this day. Full of praise and thanks. Not in your day. Thank you, God. Now Ridhima Didi and Pallavi Didi is coming for National Pledge. Jai Hind everyone. Take your national pledge position. India is my country. All Indians are. My brother. And sister. I love my country. And I am proud of. Rich. And very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. My name, my devotion in their well-being and prosperity, long life, my happiness. Jai Hind. Happiness is your dentist telling you it would not hurt and then having him catch his hand in the drill. With this thought, I like to call Ram and Abhinav Bhaiya to share beautiful English and Hindi thought.
The more you smile, the better you look. With this quotation.
Jai Hind everyone, myself Abhinav, he is my friend Ram. Today we are here to share wonderful thought. And the thought is,
Use your smile to change the world. Use your smile to change the world. Don't let the world to change your smile. Its Hindi meaning is,
दुनिया को बदलने के लिए अपनी मुस्कान का उपयोग कीजिए, पर दुनिया को अपनी मुस्कान बदलने मत दीजिए.
thank you, have a nice day.
If a patient cannot clean his teeth, no dentist will clean them for him. With this, I would like to call Arpit and Anvi for English poem. Don't be a parrot, be an eagle, because eagle is a silent bird, but it has the power to touch the sky. With this quotation, Jai Hind everyone. Myself Anvi Singh and he is my classmate. Arpit, today we both are going to deliver a talk to recite an English poem related to modified. So let us start. When I walk, my feet were clean, spotless with her sparkling sheen. First thing first, I put on socks, then my shoes to walk on rocks. with, down came raindrops falling fast. Hitting the dirt is mist and moss until it makes the ground split and splosh. I like the grass between my toes until it stains my clothes. I like the grass between my toes even though it stains my clothes. The ground is wet and getting wetter. Mud is great but dirt is better. But nothing can compete even as sweet as hopping around with muddy feet. Thank you. Be true to your teeth and they would not be false to you. With this thought, I like to call Anjali, Didi and Preeti for asking some amazing GK questions.
If you have more cavities than you have teeth, then let your life speak. With this, Jai Hind everyone. Jai Hind. I'm Anjali and she is my friend Preeti. Today we are here to check your IQ level. So the first question is,
at what age children lost their primary teeth?
6 years.
And the answer is correct, 6-year-old. At what age children lost their primary teeth?
Good. Very nice.
So the next question is, what caused tooth decay?
Acid. Sweet.
Yes, and the answer is correct, sweet. Sweet cause.
And the third question is, what is the front teeth called? And the answer is correct, incisor.
So the next question is, how many types of teeth does a human have?
4.
And the answer is correct, 4. How many types of teeth does a human have?
Okay. And do you know the names?
Yes, sir.
Tell the names.
Incisor, molar, premolar, canine.
Well done.
And the fifth question is,
No problem. Absolutely no problem. Next question. Any other?
Which teeth help to crushing the food?
Molar.
Yes, the answer is correct. Premolar and molar used to crushing the food.
and the sixth question is, how many procedure teeth we have?
8.
And the answer is correct, 8.
How many?
Set procedure.
Three scissors. How do you spell it? T-R-E-3. Scissor. S-C-I-S-S-O-R. Three scissors. You know? सबको नहीं मालूम? कुछ गड़बड़ है.
Oh, your IQ level is so good. You are doing good. So the last question is, what is the hardest substance in the human body? Yes, the answer is correct. Enamel. Thank you.
You will never put it dress without a smile. With this, I would like to call Ananya for topic.
Jai Hind everyone.
Jai.
Today I'm here to deliver a topic. So let's start. A mouth with healthy gums, strong teeth, neutral breath and a clean tongue, often revealing overall good health and hygiene. Also maintain the good oral health, preventing many diseases and disorders from developing in the mouth. The mouth is one of the first place to show symptoms of many illnesses, including diabetes, breathing of diabetes, breathing diabetes. Diabetes. Breathing gums are one of the first symptoms to occur for many blood-related disorders. Periodontitis is a disease that attacks to gums and bones around the teeth and is commonly diagnosed alongside for many diseases. Thank you.
Well done.
कुछ यातनाएं शारीरिक होती हैं और कुछ मानसिक, लेकिन जो दोनों होती हैं वो दर्द है। इन पंक्तियों के साथ मैं विशाखा दीदी को एक सुंदर हिंदी कविता के लिए जय everyone. Myself Funny from class 5th and he is my friend Ashwin. Today we are here to tell you about teeth and Honorable Dr. Vaibhav Jyoti sir. So first Ashwin will tell you about teeth. You spend most of time and money to have a healthy smile. So then before you sit on a dentist chair, do you know to whom we say a dentist? Don't worry, I will tell. Dentists are the dental surgeon. It's healthy care professional, specialized dentistry. The dentists help us to take care of our teeth, gums and mouth. We should have check our teeth another 6 months. If we not brush the teeth once a day, then our teeth will be not teeth have the cavity. Now I would like to tell you about Honorable Dr. Vaibhav Jyoti sir. He is a great dentist. He has a very soft spoken and he is a gentleman. He has very famous in Gorakhpur zone. He is the best dentist of Gorakhpur zone. His hospital name is the Jyoti Dental Hospital. Now I would like to call our great director sir, and so please come on the stage and read to the Honorable Dr. Vaibhav Jyoti sir.
Thank you, Jyoti. You already stated whatever I had to say. You did my job. Well done. Okay. Before I talk anything about Dr. Vaibhav Jyoti, right? First and the foremost thing, few things which are basic in St. Xavier's, right? Reception is little poor. Deepak, there is some problem, right? First and the foremost, HMS, yes, no. Yes, sir. Pakka? Yes, sir. Milk, yes, no. Yes, sir. Green vegetable? Yes, sir. Brushing in the night? Yes, sir. Fighting with children? Yes, sir. इधर फंस गया तुम लोग, राइट? और अपने अपने किताब इधर, कुछ किताब श्रीलंका, कुछ अफगानिस्तान, यस नो? पक्का? Yes, sir. Okay, how many are there in the golden hour? Sure? Yes, sure? Those who are not, you all are missing something, I'm telling you. Seriously, this is a really golden hour. This is a magic which is happening. हाथ नीचे, अभी किधर चांद पे लेके जाएगा, हो गया, हाँ, उधर वाला लड़का हाथ नीचे. Golden hour is really golden hour. So, taking the clue from HMS, we thought, let us call someone who is the best, not only in terms of his profession, but also in terms of कि आप वैसा बड़े होके बनना चाहोगे, right? जैसे शहर में हम बात करते हैं कि which is the best school in town? शहर का बेहतरीन स्कूल कौन? वैसे अगर आप बोलेंगे कि शहर का बेहतरीन दांत का अस्पताल कौन, तो और डॉक्टर कौन, तो वैभव ज्योति सर का नाम आता है. और ये मैं दिल से बोल रहा हूँ. कुछ चीज ऐसी होती हैं जिसमें कि आपकी भावनाएं बहुत काम करती हैं. लाइक ये अगर बेस्ट स्कूल नहीं होता तो मैं अपने बच्चों को यहाँ नहीं पढ़ाता. अलग बात है, आप सब मेरे बच्चे हैं, बच्चियां हैं, राइट? अब मैं आपको घर की बात बताता हूँ, पर्सनल. Why I treat Dr. Vaibhav Jyoti as one of the best dental surgeons? पहला, he is very qualified. दूसरा, ये टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ चलते हैं. साल में कम से कम 15-20 वर्कशॉप ये कभी लेते हैं इंटरनेशनल लेवल का, कभी अटेंड करते हैं, राइट? ये अभी मेरा दांत में प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, सो मैं गया वहाँ पे. जो बीमारी है जिसको ठीक करना था, उस बीमारी को ठीक करने का नाम है प्रोसेस रूट कनाल. क्या नाम है वो? आप कहीं जाएंगे तो उसमें एक 4-5-3 सीटिंग लगती है, फिर 1-1 घंटा बैठ के डॉक्टर ऐसे करके अंदर में उसको ठीक करते हैं. ही डिड द मैजिक. ही ऑपरेटेड मी इन 30 मिनट्स. एक बार में सिर्फ 30 मिनट में, और मुझे कतई दर्द नहीं हुआ. मैं आपको बताऊं, मेरी मम्मी यहाँ आई थी, मेरे बड़े भाई साहब बहुत बड़े डॉक्टर है गुजरात के, उनके अनंत डॉक्टरों से जान पहचान है। वो यहाँ आई, मैं उनको लेके गया डॉक्टर वैभव के यहाँ, उनकी दांत में कुछ प्रॉब्लम था, राइट। उनको यकीन ही नहीं हुआ कि उनका दांत ठीक भी हो सकता है, और डॉक्टर वैभव ज्योति ने उनका दांत ठीक किया, और एक और अभी ऑपरेशन कराना है उनको। बाहर निकल के पापा बोले हम गुजरात में नहीं कराएंगे, जब तुम्हारे आएंगे छुट्टी लेके, छुट्टी में तो दोबारा से हम डॉक्टर, सीरियसली अभी तक उन्होंने अपना सेकेंड राउंड वहां गुजरात में कराया नहीं, वो वेट कर रहे हैं यहाँ आएंगे फिर आपके यहाँ कराएंगे। इतना भरोसा जीतने वाले इंसान का नाम है डॉक्टर वैभव ज्योति, और ये आपके स्कूल से बहुत जुड़े हुए हैं, ये आपके स्कूल को अपना परिवार मानते हैं, राइट। और इनके बच्चे भी बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, इनकी पत्नी भी जिले में बहुत अच्छा प्रशासनिक काम कर रही है। ऐसे लोगों का हमारे यहाँ आना बहुत शुभ बात है। सो मैं तहे दिल से डॉक्टर वैभव ज्योति का, जो मेरे परिवार के हैं, वो इस परिवार में ही स्वागत करता हूँ, राइट। सो मे आई कॉल डॉक्टर वैभव ज्योति ऑन द स्टेज।